Hi, you guys. I wanted to check in with you and let you guys know who won the 200 subscriber giveaway. The winners need to send me an email, which is listed in the description box below, with either the email address they want their pattern sent to or their Ravelry screen name. I do request the patterns are under $6 each, so one pattern per winner. Email me what pattern you would like and make sure I'm sending it to the right place. But our two winners are Erica Radcliffe and Marianne Penner. I will add pictures showing their comments and stuff. So congratulations, you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon.